And together with us here we have the President of NUP, Mr. Honorable Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, Bobi Wine. I also take the opportunity to congratulate him because in a few moments come, he will be awarded a bachelor's degree in laws. Maybe after his LDC, we shall consider him in the Attorney General's chambers to serve us as a legal officer. But my brother, I congratulate you and thank you for pursuing your studies here at Cavendish University, Uganda.
I understand my brother Bobi Wine is one of the graduates. Allow me in a special way congratulate Honorable Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Congratulations, Honorable.
Omwana soda
Verse on the beat.
Valindirira Yesu teba wangula ensine bweba ngekaye teba jiduka. Linda Yesu, linda Yesu, linda Yesu, alina manyi akakola ki.
Export TV to the world.